So friends, today we'll talk about the much awaited book by MKC publication which is known as Group Discussion and Lecturate for SSB Interview. And this book is not only important for defense aspirants for SSB interview but also for various defense entrance examinations such as CDS, CPF, FCAT and any other defense oriented examinations. Let's talk about the characteristics of this book. Let's try to find out. It is of MKC publication, as I have already told you. MKC stands for Major Kalshi Classes, which is situated at Allahabad, one of the renowned defense training institute in India. Let's talk about this. See, it is very important for a candidate who is going to join defense forces, that is Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, to have some basic knowledge of international relations, like relations with the neighboring countries and any other important countries, the information and all about international organizations and treaties. Strategic issues are equally important, and at the same time the basic knowledge of defense forces, that is Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, is also important. And some of the very contentious issues like security threats to India. So this book has designed in such a way that it fulfills the requirement of all these things. Let's try to find out this thing in detail. See, like this international relations. So this international relations section include almost all the important countries like Indo-Afghan relations, Indo-Pak relations, Indo-China relations, like till all these kind of relations, till Indo-Israel, Indo-Australia relations, and some of the very important policies of government of India like Look East policy, Act East policy, Look West policy. Then we have also given international treaties like United Nations Organization, WTO, European Union, Non-Aligned Movement, BRICS, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperations, ASEAN, IAEA, and all these kind of things like CTBT and NPT. We'll talk about the strategic issues. We have included like India's nuclear weapon program, then China-Pakistan economic corridor, India-Iran seal, Chabahar port deal, and India-US signed military logistics pact, as we all know, Syrian crisis. These all things are there. Apart from that, we talk about some of the security threats like terrorism, IS, Naxalism, insurgency problem in Northeast India and in Kashmir, the String of Pearls, water crisis in states of India. All these things has been given. And apart from that, we have given defense information like Indian defense, what is Indian defense, what is Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, paramilitary forces and Central Armed Police Forces. We have given some of the very important military exercises with some of the other countries. Military operations are there, rank structures are there, gallantry awards, commands, training center, missile system, and all about Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Home Affairs, Armed Forces Special Pass Act. Everything has been included in this book. If you talk about this kind of entire information, this actually helps you in group discussion, which is a part of GTO, where a candidate is supposed to discuss twice, then one lecturate, which is also the part of GTO, a personal interview, where these kind of things could be asked. So a candidate should have at least introduction type of knowledge about all these things. We can see this, and this book is designed in such a way that it gives information as well as pictorial information is also given with the help of map and all, so that a candidate can understand and learn all kind of things like this. So these kind of maps we have included time to time, and chapter by chapter we have included these kind of maps in different chapters wherever it is required, so that a candidate should have good knowledge and good information, and he can do well not only in SSB but also in his different kind of various written examinations. So friends, I would like to strongly recommend you to buy this book online. You can go through the our website, which is www.mkcpublication.in, as well as Major Kalshi Classes, which is situated at Allahabad, is one of the renowned institute for preparation of defense like NDA, CDS, CPF, Air Force, Navy. So if you are interested, you can come and you can join us. Our website is www.majorkalshiclasses.com, or you can call 1800 313 2004. Thank you very much.